When I was at Civica, call center integration was one of the most requested features in the RFI and RFQs that crossed my desk. Access4 is a cloud telephony and call center solution provider who has requested us to do a POC on Civica Altitude integration, and I'm glad to say that we have a solution ready to demonstrate. In the call center world, they generally integrate to CRM solutions such as Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, and Dynamics 365. Global solutions that offer a standard API interface for call identification, logging, and searching. We have had to make a slightly different approach as Altitude CRM is neither global nor a customer management solution. Also, customers ringing into council service centres have a range of services that they may be calling about. So we have a need for a 360-degree view of the customer and the services they use at council. CRM is just one service. Here is an overview of the integration that I'll demonstrate. 1, we are using Red Cactus Call Center Configuration Solution to configure the call center and to demonstrate the call center interactions. The SmartGlue platform calls Altitude to search for a telephone number or can use a sanitized, cleansed NAR database that has been synchronized within SmartGlue. On successfully finding a NAR, we then launch the 360-degree customer view, which has both customer data surfaced from Altitude and also application linking back into Altitude to assist the customer service team for quick access. Here is the Red Cactus Bubble Call Center Configuration application. Call center configuration is done by the telephony consultants, and as a telephony is a global industry, they have global solutions. One of these is a company called Red Cactus, who provide the necessary configurations to set up standard CRM connectors for Oracle, Salesforce, and Dynamics. Bubble is the Red Cactus call center configuration toolset, and Symphony3 have provided a set of APIs that enable us to integrate into Civica, Authority, and Altitude. Here is the SmartGlue CRM connector that we have set up. What this allows us to do is trigger the API on receipt of the phone call. The phone number is then used to search and identify the Civica NAR number. Now, depending on the quality of your NAR data, this can be done by accessing the NAR directly using the name register API, or we can sanitize your NAR data and cleanse and ensure that we have high quality data on which to do telephony matching. Within the phone connectors, we have a test connector where we can test the configuration. I can simulate a phone call being received from my telephone number 0417 908 623. As you can see, the telephone number matches the call center incoming telephone number. The call center window pops up to display Alan George Hurd, my address, and my NAR number. This is all demo data, so there are no privacy issues involved. Now, as you can see, there is also a button that has been configured to start what we call CRM 360. This is another API that starts the 360-degree portal and provides an overview of the NAR and CRM information. In selecting the button, we start our customer service portal. Here we have surfaced our NAR information, NAR 10223, Alan George Hurd, 4 McLeish Road. We have also shown the latest CRM information, and here provide direct application linking into CRM, where you can then see all of the CRM information, the workflow, the current status, and customer details, and any attachment information out of your EDRMS. As this is a POC, what I've also done is include additional information. I've surfaced assessment information and parcel information for my particular NAR number. Here I have 2 properties and 2 rate assessments. By selecting the assessment ID, I can also use application linking to go into the rates inquiry form. And display my current rates assessment information, my current assessment and my current outstandings. As you can see, I've paid my bill recently. I can also select my parcel number and direct straight into our parcel maintenance form. Again, I can see my property information. I can also jump off to any of the other information within NAR. So as you can see, it's a good launching point in assisting customer service with interactions to your solution. I think you can see that this would add value to any customer service team. Thank you for your time.